Welcome to How to Meditate for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. Today, we will take you through the basics of meditation, what it is, and how to get started. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote overall well-being. It is a practice that involves training the mind to focus on the present moment. It is also a way to cultivate mindfulness, calmness, and inner peace. There are many forms of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and guided meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the breath or bodily sensations, while loving-kindness meditation involves generating feelings of love and kindness towards oneself and others. So let's get started. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. Set a timer for your desired length of meditation. Start with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. You can sit on a cushion or a chair with your back straight, hands resting on your lap or knees, and eyes closed or slightly open. If you are lying down, ensure that you are comfortable and supported, and not likely to fall asleep. Wear comfortable clothing that does not restrict your movement or breathing. Consider lighting a candle or incense, playing soft music, or using a meditation app to help set the mood and create a calming atmosphere. Start by taking a few deep breaths and allowing your body to relax. Focus your attention on your breath, either at the nostrils, chest, or belly. Notice the sensation of the breath as it goes in and out. If your mind wanders, which it will, gently bring your attention back to the breath. Don't judge or get frustrated with yourself for losing focus. This is a normal part of meditation. You can also use a mantra or phrase to help focus your attention, such as peace or I am calm and relaxed. It's common to experience physical discomfort, restlessness, or racing thoughts during meditation. Try not to resist or react to these experiences, simply observe them and let them pass. If you find yourself struggling, you can try guided meditations or join a meditation group for support. You can also experiment with different meditation techniques to find the one that works best for you. Remember that meditation is a practice, and it takes time to develop the skills needed to quiet the mind. Regular meditation can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can improve concentration, focus, and overall mental health. Meditation has also been shown to lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and boost the immune system. As you become more experienced, you may notice other benefits, such as increased creativity, better decision-making, and a greater sense of connectedness. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to meditate for beginners. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it takes time to develop the skills needed to quiet the mind. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. With regular practice, you will experience the benefits of meditation and cultivate a sense of inner peace and well-being.